For Shazra's going to start right here. Groups are going to split into even and odd groups with mages and druids dispersed between them. Both these groups need to be 30 yards apart to avoid the arcane explosion but still be able to heal each other. Shazz has a counterspell and a curse that are 35 yards, so everyone needs a max range from Shazz whenever that's possible. Shazz is going to blink onto your group, and what happens is you're going to switch with Shazz. So go exactly where Shazz just blinked from, except the tank assigned to your even group is going to pick up Shazz, but remember, Shazz completely drops aggro when he blinks, so tanks need to pick him up before anyone DPSs first, so you must wait. Outside of that, guys, whenever you're running away from Arcane Explosion, you're probably going to get hit once or twice. You got to use Hellstones and bandages when you can. And also, Shazz will buff himself. Priests need to dispel it after he has Detect Magic on so everyone can see it. Outside of that, guys, that's the fight.